Hi, welcome to the mathcenter.com. In this video, we are going to look at part 2 of the problem that we started in a previous video. You can see the question here. The curve is y equals to 1 over 4 x squared minus half log x for values of x between 2 and 8. And we are told that this curve is rotated through 2 pi radians about the x-axis. That's important. And the surface of revolution is formed, and you're asked to show that the area of this surface is given by this expression here. This question involves, number one, knowing the formula. Number two, we have to do some basic integration. Now, when I say basic integration, I'm talking about maybe you may need to remember the formula, and you'll know in a minute what I'm talking about. And the other one is integration by parts. I consider this basic integration, yeah, for a problem like this. So you need to know the formula, you need to do a little bit of algebra, cleaning up, and then you need to use some techniques of integration like by parts and maybe substitution. And then plug in the numbers, the limits going from 2 to 8. So let's start. Let me just remind you of the formula first. When you have a surface of revolution, and this one is rotating about the pi axis, this is your formula. Okay, there is a 2 pi y. Okay, there's a 2 pi y, and then I have a square root of 1 plus dy dx whole thing squared dx. This is a formula. You need to know this, yeah? Okay. The limits I plugged in. All you need to do is just plug in what is y. Y they gave me is 1 over 4x squared minus half log x. This is y. And this one here we worked out earlier. The square root of 1 plus dy dx whole thing squared is half x plus 1 over 2x. Then you need to clean this up. A little bit of algebra. Okay, expand this, yeah? Expand this. When you expand this, this is what you're going to get, yeah? You can do it slowly at your own time, and you can expand it and you will get this. Just be a bit gentle with the signs. Now, this one here, and also don't forget there's a 2 pi here, careful, yeah? Okay. This one here is easy to integrate, basic integration, the formula, that's what I said earlier. I have increased by 1, I have x to the power 4 over 32. And this one will be x squared over 16. Now we need to sort this out and this out. Now I'm going to take this and perform integration by parts. I'm going to use u is log x and dv equals to x. That's what you see here. So we have du is 1 over x dx, and then I have v is a half x squared. So we are using uv minus v du, so you'll get a half x squared, okay, ln x minus a half x squared. What's du? 1 over x dx.